Sometimes you may wish to have an option to turn part of a family on or off depending on whether an instance or type features a certain element or accessory. For example, let's take the partition. There may be some instances where the partition is not required, such as when the desk is up against a wall, for example. Therefore, we want to have the ability as a user to turn it on and off. In order to do that, you select the geometry. Next to this visible parameter here, you can click this button which associates a family parameter. Now it's very important to recognize this functionality because it applies to multiple different aspects, and this is the first time we've seen it, but we'll be coming back to it an awful lot. So click on this. This brings up this dialog box that shows you any existing parameters that are compatible with the yes or no type, which is effectively on or off. There aren't any, so we'll create one. We'll create one called partition. Oops, spell that correct. So, and we want this to be an instance parameter because we want it to be independent and unique to each instance of the family. So I'm going to create that as instance, and I'm going to group it under construction and click OK. So now I've created that parameter. I can now associate this piece of geometry to that parameter. So if we then navigate to our family types, you'll see that this parameter now is here. Now you know that it's an instance because it's got the word default after it, and this means that this will be the default value when it's loaded into a project. So the default value when it's loaded into a project will be on. If I untick it, the default value when it's loaded into a project will be off. So if I turn it off and then on, if I choose go to the Revit preview visibility options, I can then turn it off and on. I'm going to keep it as default on for the time being. So I'm going to now load it into my project, override. I'm going to go to my 3D view, and I'm going to click on these two end desks here. And you see how this instance parameter appears here. It's not in the type. It's instance specific. And if I untick it, it removes the partition. So that's the basics of 3D visibility and visibility parameters, and we'll go into more detail when we start to use formula to drive the values of these tick boxes, yes/no parameters.